Hi, hello everybody, welcome back to another video. It's me, David, aka The Blue, and today we're going to be revisiting an old problem which I already solved on this channel before. But that video was from around 2 years ago, so it's actually, I didn't have like the best knowledge back then, and somebody in the comments actually commented an easier and faster way to solve this, which includes a little trick, and also something that I just should have done in the first place, because in my original video what I did was that I used partial fraction decomposition to integrate a second part of the integral, but I didn't even have to do that at all, since I could have just used use of. Why I didn't do it, I don't know. And the first part, while I could use long division, it's also not necessary, because as the commenter brought up, what I could just do instead, let me go into writing mode, is that I could just add an x and subtract an x on the numerator here. And what this does is that this gives me the ability to separate this into two parts right here. Two integrals. One that would look like this, and then the other where it's just x over x squared minus 1. Now after what we do here, we just solve these integrals separately, okay? So on this one, it's going to be x times x squared minus 1, and then x squared minus 1. We just factored out the x from the numerator. We can cancel those two out, and so we'll pick up later. Here, I'm going to do this separately. We can use u sub, as I mentioned before, and as the commenter mentioned. So our u is going to be x squared minus 1. du is going to be 2x. That means that 1/2 du is going to be x dx. Sorry, I forgot to write that there. So we can rewrite this as 1/2 integral of 1 over u du. And now we can actually integrate. The integral of x dx is just x to the power of 1 plus 1 over that new number. So just 1/2, let me write that better, x squared plus, and this right here, the integral of 1 over x is just going to be ln of x. So here it's going to be 1 over u, ln of u, and remember that u is x squared minus 1. So this is 1/2 ln of x squared minus 1, and then plus c. Don't forget that plus c. So this answer right here turns out to be the exact same answer that I got before. So yeah, that commenter is right. This is just an easier way of how to solve this integral, and something that's just really cool about math. There's so many different ways to solve the same problem, and yeah, it's just awesome. I just wanted to share this with you, and also make a video on what the commenter was talking about in case somebody needed to visualize this. But yeah, thank you, Math Tutor, and yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.